We're announcing here at ASGCT new capacity, which includes 1,000 liter fermentation capacity, 240 liter fermentation capacity, and a 20 liter fermentation capacity. The reason we're doing that is because clients that are operating in this space require hundreds of grams of plasmid DNA and recombinant proteins, and because of that we have to increase our manufacturing scale to meet market demand. So for space, we're going to add right off the bat 10,000 more square foot for biomanufacturing. We're going to have an option on 5,000 square foot facility. The great thing about this opportunity is that it takes advantage of an $8 million purpose-built biomanufacturing facility, which is just adjacent to our current laboratory. And that's where we're excited. It's not going to disrupt our program, and we're going to be able to quickly get that up and running by fourth quarter of 2019. It's great that we are able to form great partnerships with our clients. As they scale their business and as they have success in their programs, we're able to have continuity between basic research to clinical trials. And when they're successful, they need more material, and so this capacity is going to help them advance their programs.